This is my friend Charles' 55-gallon Goldfish and Parrot Cichlid tank. It's quite overcrowded. The bioload for this tank makes frequent water changes necessary to keep the nitrates down. So now that Charles has another 55 available, what he'd like to do is add a heater to this tank and remove the Parrot cichlids. Goldfish don't need a heater, but to deal with the blackbeard algae growing on the lucky bamboo, the only thing I know to do is add true Siamese algae eaters, which are a tropical fish, and the goldfish will be just fine at 76, 78 degrees. The true Siamese algae eaters should deal with that algae issue, and the algae eaters, being much smaller than the Parrot cichlids, should not add much to a bioload. The tank contains one Comet goldfish there in the center, which was sold as a feeder fish to me several years ago. Now that she is full grown, she's a pretty good specimen. And then the koi long-finned goldfish in the left center there. That fish came with a tank that Charles purchased a few years ago. I had those two together in my 75-gallon for a while when I brought them both to Charles. And he likes the three metallic blue goldfish. They also have orange and black, but they have a nice metallic blue sheen to them. And so those 5 good sized to large goldfish and several true Siamese should be right happy in this tank.